Alright, ladies and gents, it's Timed Edge, and I'm doing a trade recap of Thursday. Actually, as you know, if you followed me in the stream, I threw in the towel a little bit early on Thursday, a little bit frustrated. If you can see here, this is a currency futures triad. We had, we were barcoding here for like 7 hours, and I left at about 3:30 to go to the gym, and yeah, price developed and gave us an entry, but that was the only one from the week. Not a great week for me, to be honest. Yeah, no trades, zero, 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 no good. But we go again next week. I'm just gonna recap this breakdown on bar replay. Yes, I am just. So if you can see here, price was. Oh, I don't know why the indicator's not loading. Oh, there we go. So we had a bullish weekly cycle. If the stream was, there was no entry there to take this up. Right, price delivered higher, but the daily CRT model. Let's just have a look at the daily time frame. I had this already marked out, so we're playing within this range. If you can see that, sorry, I don't know why it does that. Yeah, so if you can see this, we're working within this range. So the CRT 3 candle model, right, our draw of liquidity would be this low. That was my theory going into that day. But when I saw this long, normally I'd say that would have to go up to, it would have to go to rebalance price, right? So we get back above the 50% of the previous day's range. As well on 6B, I think it does get tapped eventually. Okay, so wick below, close above or 50%, same rules apply. I threw in the towel at 3 o'clock, well too early, 3:30, sorry, and well, I was about 35 minutes out for a trade setup. I sat through all this price action and I just thought, this is not looking too great. But what happened was, next bar. Okay, we did actually get the model. Okay, so what do we do? If you've been following me for a while, you know what we do. Mark the high, 1 hour CRT model, right? Okay, so mark the high. Bearing in mind, there is a daily cycle here already. 6S ran the high, giving us divergence. 6B is above the high. But what happened here was a quick manipulation above the range. Okay, so let's so this is the 1 hour high. This is how I mark it every day. Come and watch me on live trade. I stream most days now, London and New York. And we drop down to the M1. If you can see, this liquidity is just being built up. Okay, and then let's play price a bit. That's gone a little bit too quick, but we can still see what's happened, right? So we've got the standard deviation box there, SMR level, right? We've wicked above the range, not on the first candle. That was the second, right? If that was the first candle, I would need an extra confluence, okay? But I'm looking for a precision swing point. So for those of you that don't know what precision swing point is, basically a crack in another further crack in correlation, right? To one out of the three assets will close in the opposite direction. It's just a lower time frame sequential SMT. Yeah, so anyway, let's play price. Right, so we get the precision swing point here. If you can see, it's an up close candle, down close, right? So that's another cracking correlation. We've already got the microcycle clearly marked by the indicator. So yeah, how would you enter this? You just set a sell stop below the low, like that, cover the high, few ticks above, and target would either be 50% or you can go down to the low. Considering what time it is, 50% is probably a great idea. Okay, just below that low, you know it's going to get taken out. Still 8R at 4 o'clock. Let's drop out to the 15-minute, and literally within 1 bar. Yeah, you could hold for here, but considering it's a end of play, 4 o'clock is when I stop trading anyway. Well, I didn't on this day, unfortunately, and I missed this move. But yeah, 8R, that's nice. Clean position. I think it does go down maybe the following day. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to recap that. I threw in the towel a bit early. I'm only human. It's our second week back trading. Not the greatest week. We had an NFP on Wednesday and CPI on Friday. So there's lots of macro data coming out, and I think that's created a lot of uncertainty in the market. But I am expecting this week to be good. I know we've got news. We've got bank holiday Monday. Let's just have a little quick look now. So we've still got a range candle, even though CPI data was positive, we still got messed around a little bit. So we will let Monday play out as it's bank holiday. Maybe there might be something in the morning, but I doubt it. I'll probably let Monday play out. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, prime time. I'll be doing London and New York streams. You can catch me. If you like my content, subscribe. If you want to join my Discord, access to the indicator, please contact me directly. I've come off WAP now, and my Discord will remain open to the public. All my value will now be on YouTube, as I'm trying to give people help basically and train them in my model if that's something they want to do. I'm not doing it for any other benefit really. Yeah, okay. Cheers guys.